Trust from time to time is supposed to give an accountability to Parliament. And once you give accountability to Parliament, you are a state organ. So the land owned by Ngonyama Trust is owned by the state, because the king is the state. When you say, let the state own the land, is exactly what the king is. When you say, what role will traditional leaders play when you take the land into the hands of the state? That question doesn't arise, because the traditional leaders are the state. So part of how you manage that nationalized land will include the involvement of traditional leaders in the allocation and distribution of such land. So we don't find any contradiction at all. And ours says the state must be the custodian of the land. And Ngonyama Trust, when people have a problem with the state owning the land, why don't you have the problem with Ngonyama Trust owning the land? Because it's exactly what we're saying. The state, the king is the state. And there's no contradiction. Very well. I don't know when you say our party is not doing well, where? Because in South Africa, of all political parties, the only party that is showing significant growth is the EFF. We have now put in place election structures all over KZN. We have sent the deputy president of the EFF to be based in KZN full-time. He's a resident now of KZN until he delivers victory of the EFF. That's how much we take this province serious. So there's no longer a ward in KZN from all corners where you can't find an EFF structure. And I've had an interaction with those EFF structures directly myself on Sunday in Maritzburg. So I'm more than happy with the performance of the EFF here. And with today's blessings of the King, our support is going to double here in KZN.
Ela subantu mani kwabaphethe indulinde baphethe ishow hlanga lo mhlaba